Alright guys, now so before the camera batteries die out, I'm going to be doing a very quick room tour of the Royal Plaza Hotel. They have a very nice hallway. Very nice hallway. And now we're going to be doing the room tour. We're staying in room 1509 and it's not focusing. There we go. So now we're going to put in our key card. There we go. Evacuation route, and that's your deadbolt, and a lock over here. Yeah, that's the additional lock, so there's a chain link on it, so that's where you put in your key card for power, main lights. These are the other lights, and that's like the signs and whatever. And that's your closet right here. So that's your closet. I'm gonna do this very quick because the batteries are dying out real fast. So you got a drawer, all empty, and you got a safe. And then you got some other drawers here. So I'm gonna close this.
Daddy, do not open the curtain.
So this is the rest of the hotel room. There we go.
Hi. Okay.
So you got your phone, your alarm clock, and you got your desk. That's where you could that's where you could put your suitcase. And you got a nice view out there. Sorry it's not much of a view because it's nighttime, so I'll show you a daytime view. Here we go. So yeah, here's a day view of Hong Kong from the hotel window. Wow, that looks pretty nice. Looks like a park. It's beautiful. Looks pretty nice. Most of these are residential buildings. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the bathroom. So, sliding door. It has no lock. And then you got a bathtub. Looks pretty nice. And you got like some sort of curtain here. They do it for some reason. You got a toilet. That's a button to flush the toilet. You got your sink. And that's the whole thing. Yeah, that's your sink right there. That's your towels. So yeah, you basically got everything in here. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching guys, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed this vlog. So with that being said, thanks for watching guys, and yeah.